WattCycle Marine Lithium King is here. 1200 cca beastly cranking dual-purpose battery. Hi everyone, I'm Kiki. Let's open the box and see what's inside. The packaging is very strong, and the battery is wrapped tightly in foam, so there will be no problems during transportation. It measures 13.94 by 6.93 by 7.36 inches, which is close to the Group 31. Weighs only 24 pounds, compared to traditional lead-acid batteries, much lighter. First, let's check the voltage. It's reading 13.58 volts. All is normal. Bluetooth connectivity. Come on, let's show it live. We can see its voltage, power, temperature, and warning on the app. The 12-volt 100 amp-hour has more highlights. 1. Self-heating function. Automatically heats up when the temperature drops below 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit until it reaches 5 degrees Celsius or 41 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring optimal performance in cold weather. 2. Forced start button. The lithium iron phosphate battery will trigger the built-in protection mechanism when the remaining capacity drops to 20%, preventing excessive discharge to extend battery life and ensure safety. The forced start button temporarily bypasses the protection mechanism and releases the remaining capacity to provide emergency power support for the device. 3. Cold start current, 1200 cca, strong starting power in cold conditions. Ideal for use in high starting demand scenarios such as boats, fishing, and automobiles. 4. High capacity and long life, up to 10 years of service life and more than 6,000 deep cycles at 80% DoD. 5. IP67 rating, safe to use in both land and water environments. 6. Security, 200 amps BMS, with overcharge, over-discharge, short circuit, and other multiple protection. ABYC certification more secure. It is suitable for most outboard engines on the market, such as Yamaha, Honda, Mercury, Suzuki, Avon Lutheran, Dongfa, and so on. Now let's connect the battery. Perfectly fine. Let's disassemble and see what hard power is hidden inside this high-performance Bluetooth startup battery. We can see that it is equipped with a high-power LiFePerforce cell, intelligent battery management system, 200 amps. It can be said that it is the all-around power core for each application. If you are looking for a marine startup battery that can both start efficiently and monitor intelligently, WattCycle's 12-volt 100 amp-hour 1200 cca Bluetooth lithium battery is definitely worth considering. Want to know more about it? Please let me know what you are interested in. Remember to follow me and unlock more exciting content. See you next time.